guys, today we learn to make a unique couple Rakhi which is beautiful, easy to make, and I'm sure it's different from what you have seen or made till now. For this, we'll need Fevicryl molded. You can find it very easily from your local art store. In a pack, you'll find a resin base and a hardener. The main job here is to mix both these things very nicely. So we unwrap it and start mixing. Once the clay is ready, we'll take a small part from it and we'll make a ball out of it. So because this clay is a bit sticky, we'll sprinkle some talcum powder. For rolling, I am using a pen here. When the rolling is done, with the help of a bottle cap or anything that you find to cut out small circles is okay. We need 2 small circles. You can reuse the remaining clay to create more Rakhis. Here I am using a satay stick, but you can use a toothpick or a needle to make holes like this. We will leave this clay to dry for 1.5 to 2 hours. Once the clay is hard as rock, using a pencil, let's begin to draw. Trust me on this. This Rakhi is going to look super beautiful, and as I've said, this is going to be really unique. Once done with the drawing, we'll grab the acrylic paints and begin to paint. If you haven't subscribed this channel yet, then do subscribe now, hit that bell icon and select all so that you don't miss out any of our amazing art tutorial videos. When the painting is done, it's time to seal the colors using varnish. Drying of the varnish depends on what kind of varnish you are using. Once the varnish dries completely, we will add the thread and the beads. We'll secure the beads with a knot and repeat the same process for the other side. And here our beautiful couple Rakhi is ready. Do comment and let me know if you really like this idea. Also do share this video with your friends and family.